Hey, it's Clay at ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in a couple of minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now and I'll be back at market open. All right, I'm looking to buy at 140, so I'm watching that number, want to see it drop to 140, and then want to see that white line turn green. So white means I'm trying to buy. If that turns green, that means I have been able to buy. I'm doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how they work, and give you a good solid foundation to which you can build your learning from. I know sometimes people are intimidated by options, and they can be made complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. I approach them in more of a simple, straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then like I said, I'm confident that guide can help you out. All right, I will pause. I'll keep a close eye on it. If it looks like I'm going to get filled, which as of right now, it's going the opposite direction than what I need it. So, in fact, I'm going to just go ahead and cancel that order out. And I'll have to go back to the drawing board. All right, going to try for put here at 162. So adjust that down to 159. All right, I will pause. All right, going to try for put here at 160. It's close. Let's see if it wants to go back up there and try again. I'm on the best bid. Just a question of does it want to fill me? Okay, I'm in. And out for $1,000 scalp on that one. Very good. It is 9:37. That trade, how long did that trade last? Let's see, 19 seconds. If my math is right, and you can see down here. So 19 seconds, $1,000. I know it sounds like a scam, but you just saw it here. And that is the power of options. And like I said, so we'll just call it 9:38. So 8 minutes, $1,000. I'm no greedy savage. I'm happy with that. But the day is still young, and maybe I'll take a. So I'm definitely going to be done by 10. 30 minutes will be just fine, even if I get nothing else. $1,000 in 30 minutes, kind of crazy when you say it out loud. But like I said, if I can find something else, then I'll take it. But I'll pause and look around and let's see if I can get something in the next, like I said, it's still only 9:38, so I still got 22 minutes to go. So let's see what else is out there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just call it good. I'm not even going to wait till 9:30. I want to just go and do other things, and that's a nice thing when you have multiple streams of income, which is what I preach to people, and I just bring that up because this is not like my only source of income. I'm not dependent on this. This is why I call trading a side hustle for myself, because it is one of several streams of income. I have the teaching business at ClayTrader.com. I have the community. I do real estate investing. I do some personal finance. I do a bunch of different things. So that's why I would never call myself a full-time trader, because it's not my full-time source of income. It's one of many. So because of that, I'm just going to move on with my day. Granted, it's still $1,000, so that's nothing to scoff at all. And I would say if you are scoffing, I'd be like, all you made was $1,000. Okay, but you may be a little bit negatively influenced by social media, because I know social media, you'll see numbers way bigger than that. But I mean, would I ever go up to someone that's making, let's just say $100 an hour, and be like, I made $1,000 in 19 seconds, or I made $1,000 in 15 minutes, however you want to look at it, because I did have to devote a certain amount of time to get there, and I'm not very happy about it. No, you would never do that, right? Because you realize that would make you sound detached to complain about making. In fact, let's just make it an hour, just to eliminate. Let's just say it took me an hour to make 1,000. I would never go up to somebody making $100 an hour and say, yeah, I made 1,000 in an hour. I'm not very happy about it. That would, like I said, that would just make you an absolute greedy savage. So I'm more than pleased with it when it's one factor in a multi-factor puzzle of multiple streams of income. And yeah, go do the same. Every wealthy person I've ever studied, that's the one common denominator. They all have multiple streams of income, and that is what I think is the leads to true freedom and true wealth. What I think is freedom of the calendar, when you can look at your schedule and determine what you want to do when you want to do it. So that's all I have for you. Again, if you do want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide. And if you enjoy the channel, if you enjoy this content and you would like for me to continue to put it out there and you're looking for a totally easy way to support the channel, please just hit that subscribe button. Hitting the subscribe button goes a long way and really does help out, and it supports the channel in surprisingly impactful ways. So if you could do that, I would really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.